Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to import your AliExpress reviews to Shopify using a tool called Loox. So the first thing we're going to do is log into our Shopify store. You can go directly to your dashboard and then open and install the Loox app, right? So you'll find this at the Shopify app store. So choose your preferred plan. Go ahead and install the app directly from the Shopify app store and open it from your Shopify apps menu, which will be on the left-hand side. Now, once it's open, you'll have to navigate to Manage Reviews, and then under Manage Reviews, you'll see Import Reviews in Loox, and then drag the Import to Loox bookmarklet to your browser's bookmarks for quick access. Import all of your reviews from AliExpress. So go ahead and visit the AliExpress product page, which contains the reviews that you want. Go ahead and then click on the Loox bookmarklet that you've bookmarked previously, and this will now automatically start importing. You can then just confirm your import preferences, including the number of reviews, the star rating, filtering, and then the translation options. Then go ahead and check all imported reviews in Loox Manage Reviews section, and you are done.